Hi guys, time for another math lesson. Today is Tuesday, May 19th. The lesson is 165. Our pages are 329 to 330. Okay, let's get started with drills. Okay, we're going to do the concept cards first. 1 pint equals 2 cups. 1 quart equals 2 pints. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. 1 week equals 7 days. 1 year equals about 52 weeks. 1 year equals 12 months. 1 leap year equals 366 days. 1 year equals 365 days. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Boiling point of water is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. Freezing point of water is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. Normal body temperature is 98.6 Fahrenheit. Okay, let's do the threes division tables. 0 divided by 3 equals 0. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. 30 divided by 3 equals 10. 33 divided by 3 equals 11. 36 divided by 3 equals 12. Okay guys, now we're going to work on the class side of the paper. Class side of the paper is page 330. Okay, let's get started. Plotting points on a line graph. 1 point represents both the across and up numbers. So if you look, you can see that it says for the point 3 to 2, go across to 3 and up to 2. So go across to 3, up to 2, and plot your point. That's where you put your dot for your point. That's how we plot points. Let's go over to number 1. Plot these points on the line graph. Okay, so what we need to do is we want to plot the point. So let's start with 1 across, 1 up. So here's 1 across, 1 across, 1 up. So where I'd plot my point would be right there. That's where we'll be starting. That's one across and 1 up. B, 2 across and 3 up. So we want to go to 2 across and 3 up. And then we want to plot our point. Okay, so we're going to plot our point at 2, 3, which is right here. So you make your plot, which is your little dot. The next one we're going to do is 3 up and 3 across and 5 up. So we want to come over here to your 3. There's your 5. Here's your 5. Here's your 3. And then we're going to plot our point. So plot your point would be like that. Then we start at the dot of the 1, 1. And then we make a line up. Straight line. My line's not straight. A line up. And that's how you plot points. So we go from the 1 up to the 5 and stop. And that's how we plot the point. All right, then let's go to number 3. write the times. So you're going to write the time for the first clock. So you know it's going to be 7, and then you're going to count by 5s to see what time it is. So you got 7 here. You got to go to your 12 where it starts and count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, but it's not on the 5, so 26, 27, 28. My time is 7:28. So you put 7:28. Okay, the next clock, the same thing. You look to see where it's on. It's on the 11. The small hand is on the 11. A little after the 12. Not quite 5 minutes after the 12, but I would say 4. So I would say that would be 11:04. Go to the next one. We look and see where the small hand is first. What is closer to? The 6. So the 6 and count by 5s up to the 12 and count by 5s. 5, 10, not quite 15 though. So it'd be 10, 11, 12, 13. So my time would be 6:13. 6:13. Good. Let's go to the last clock. Look at the small hand. We want to see it's a little past the 1. So instead of going to the 2, since it's the small hand, you go up to the 1. And then it's closer to the 12 here, the big hand, so I have to count from the 2 around. Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and then it's a little past the 10, so I would say 51. So my time is 1:51. So you put 1:51 is my time. All right, now we're going to go write the estimated sums. 17 plus 22 equals 39. What would the estimate for 39 be? Is 39 closer to 20, or is it closer to 30, or is it closer to 40? Which one? Actually, is it closer to 30 or 40? Closer to 30 or 40? I would say 39 is closer to 40. Okay, again, add 75 plus 11, I get 86. Is 86 closer to 80 or 90? 86 closer to 80 or 90? Okay, I would put 90. Again, 44 plus 28 equals 72. Is 72 closer to 70 or 80? Closer to 70 or 80? It's only 72, so I would put 70. Okay, now let's do the back. Let's do the seat work side of the paper, which is actually the front of our papers. Okay, the first thing, number 1, what we're going to do is the less than and more than, or equals. That is a review. We've done that a lot throughout our years. So all you're going to write is the less than, more than, or equal sign. If 1 yard is less than, more than, or equal to 36 inches, you just put the sign. Number 2, write 2 multiplication facts and 2 division facts. You're going to use the numbers 3, 7, 21 to write the timetable facts and the division facts. Remember, divisions always start with a big number first. Okay, let's go down to number 3. Multiply by 3s. Write the product in the boxes. So all you're going to do is multiply by 3. 6 times 3, write your answer. 9 times 3, write your answer. 7 times 3, write your answer. 8 times 3, write your answer. Okay, number 4. Write the value of the 8 in this big long number. So you want to put what the value of the 8 is. And we did this yesterday. So find this one and write the value of the 5. Write the value of the 5 here. Okay. And number 6, you're just going to add. You're going to add the top row. It looks like n, multiply, divide, divide, multiply, multiply. Okay, do your work. That's it for today.